4th of July out of Port Canaveral, Florida. The Disney cruise ship back there and the Carnival cruise ship. Disney and Carnival back there. Hope everybody has a happy 4th of July. God bless you all. Mitch Bromwell off the coast of Cape Canaveral in the Atlantic Ocean on a cruise ship. Take care and God bless. Thank you all. Thank you all the veterans and everything else for your service. Happy 4th of July, folks. Mask? We don't need no stinking mask. Down one side of the ship. Back toward the aft. Just a little view around. Taking a cruise on the 4th of July. Just enjoying the water, beautiful sky, and all the amenities. People out fishing, enjoying yourself, and enjoying the 4th of July. Take care. God bless.